and a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Nah, JJ made this one.
Alright, as you can see, it got really dark out. I got the videos you guys wanted. So, if you guys like these type of videos, subscribe, let me know, and I'll do more of them. It's really dark out now. Like, it's really dark. Looks like it's about to pour. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Also, shout out to JT Racing. New stuff coming soon, you know. We'll be working soon together. So thank you guys for watching. As we could tell, I got home just in time. Look how windy it is now. Oh my god. It looks scary out here.